Good afternoon, Miss Chimba. Thank you for taking time with me today. Good afternoon, Naila. Thank you for inviting me. I heard many good things about your cafe. Please have a seat. Like Ryan's pattern is cozy, modern, and perfect for young people. Thank you. That's exactly the concept I want to create. So, what would you like to discuss today? I like to introduce my cafe, and hopefully we can discuss possible uh, about investment partnership. Brew and Bloom Cafe has been operating for almost 2 years. During this time, we've built a loyal customer base, especially among university students and young professionals.
That's impressive. So, why are you looking for an investment if your business is already doing well?
Because I believe this cafe has much bigger potential. I want to make 2 new brands for next year, but unfortunately I don't have enough capital to make it happen.
How much investment are you looking for?
Around 1 billion rupiah.
1 million rupiah? That's quite a significant amount.
Yes, because this investment will cover a renovation, marketing campaigns, new equipment, and employee recruitment.
If I invest 1 million rupiah, how much ownership are you willing to offer?
25%?
Only 25%? Honestly, I expect something closer to 45%.
I'm sorry, 45% is too much. I started this business from the scratch. I don't want to lose over my own company.
I completely understand. However, I also need to protect my investment.
What the percentage do you think is fair?
40%.
I don't agree with that. Honestly, 30% is difficult for me.
Alright, if I accept 30%, I want to be involved in important business decision,
Such as
marketing strategy, monthly financial reports, expansion plans, and hiring new managers.
I can agree with financial reports and expansion planning. but I prefer to manage daily operations myself.
That's reasonable. I don't want to interfere with your activity.
I appreciate that.
However, I also expect the business to reach a clear financial target.
What kind of targets?
I expect at least a 15% profit increase within the first year.
That's so ambitious. I believe it's achievable with the right strategy marketing.
Let's talk about profit distribution.
Since you will own 30% of the company, you will receive 30% of the annual profits.
Fair enough, but what happens if the business doesn't perform as expected?
Business always involves risks. However, I promise full transparency. We will share our strategy every 3 months.
I like your confidence.
Thank you. I believe trust is just important as money.
I agree. By the way, one last request.
Of course.
I like exclusive rights to invest in your future bankers before you approach other investors.
That's a good idea. I agree with you.
Then I believe we have a deal.
We certainly do. Thank you for believing Brew and Bloom Cafe. If everything looks good on you, please take a moment to review the agreement and sign in there.
Okay, I will sign in.
One again.
I'm looking forward to growing the business together.
Cheers for our future success.
Cheers!
To conclude our negotiation, I think we reached a fair agreement because both of us were willing to listen, explain our reasons, and make compromises instead of insisting on our opinions. During the discussion, we had different priorities at first, but we tried to understand each other's perspectives before making a final decision. This helped us avoid unnecessary conflict and create a solution that benefits both sides. In my opinion, this conversation shows the negotiation is not about winning or losing. It's about finding common ground through good communication, respect, and cooperation. We also learned that being flexible is very important because every negotiation involves different needs and expectations. If we only focus on our own interests, it will be difficult to reach an agreement. Overall, our negotiation reflects the importance of active listening, clear communication, and mutual understanding in achieving a successful outcome.
I agree with that conclusion. From our negotiation, I learned that successful negotiation requires
patience and trust between both parties. We did not immediately agree on every point, but we kept discussion our ideas until we found a solution that satisfied us both. This expression reminds us that negotiation is a skill that we use not only in business but also in our daily lives, such as working on group projects, solving problems with friends, or making decisions together. Through this activity, we practice expressing our opinions confident while still respecting different viewpoints. We also realize that every opinion has value, and listening careful can help us discover better solutions than simply defending our own ideas. In conclusion, effective negotiation creates positive relationships, builds cooperation, and help everyone achieve a result that is fair, practical, and beneficial for parties. Thank you for listening.